how well you can put that ball, that hoop. It won't matter how high you can jump. It won't matter how fast you are, how quick you are. The people that make it in this group will understand the power of using that little orange ball to unlock anything they want in the world. That basketball, not just basketball, it is a key. You have to look at it as a key. This is good. This is pretty good players here, right? This is the best, right? Right? That's all right. Wait a minute. This is the best. All of you are going to have the opportunity to go to college for free. For free. Parents, does that sound like a good deal? All right. That's just step one. I've seen so many players in my era, players who were better than me when I was your age, who didn't make it, who didn't understand the importance of getting that free education. Well, that's just the beginning. What you have to understand is, because you play basketball is different from baseball, it's different from football, it's different from any other sports. You know why? Because we don't have to wear helmets that hide our beautiful faces. Well, some of us have beautiful faces. Some of you, I'm sorry. But the point is, people know what you look like. And basketball in this country, I think, is the most popular sport. Because you play basketball, because people recognize your face, people want to be around you. They want to be associated with you. It's very different for offensive linemen who plays football. He may be an All-American tackle at Michigan, but because he wears a helmet every Saturday, no one really knows him. But you are the best basketball player in your town, at your high school, in your county. Some of you are all state, some of you are in national press. People recognize your